Hey everyone, David here. And today I'm heading down to Boca Raton for the South Florida ISSA, CTF, and Chile Cookoff conference. For those of you who may be new to the channel, let me give you a little bit of background about me. I've been in the cybersecurity field for over 10 years now, and most of what I do revolves around red teaming, penetration testing, and covert methods of entry, or also known as CMOE. I've got a real passion for offensive security, and lately I've found myself on a journey of teaching people how to break into things, but that is responsibly, of course. So today I'm packing up the SUV with some RFID gear because I'm running an RFID village and CTF down in Boca tomorrow. Alright, so we just did a quick pit stop and let's go pick up some coffee. So I just picked up some coffee, so let's continue on the road. There's always something special about getting to share what you know in a way that's practical and fun, and that's really the goal for tomorrow. The drive down to Boca is kinda nice. Gives me some time to think. I've done a lot of different roles at these events over the years. I've been a volunteer, a speaker, sometimes even helped with organizing. But today it's pretty unique because it's the first time that I'm actually running an RFID village myself, which is a whole new level of responsibility. There's something really rewarding about setting up a space where people can come in, learn at their own pace, and experiment without any pressure. I think it's easy to feel intimidated by RFID technology. It's not as straightforward as, say, popping open a laptop and writing some code, but once you break it down, people start to get it. And I love being there when that light bulb moment happens. What's up, guys? So I'm currently at the hotel. I just arrived not too long ago. And yeah, I'm currently in the process of so force a habit. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and step out for a minute, grab some dinner, and call it an early night since we have a long day tomorrow. Tomorrow's a ISSA conference, and well, actually, if you're watching this video, you're likely in the future, so you probably missed out if you didn't go. But yeah, I'm gonna be running the RFID village, and I have a lot of cool toys, so I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. So it's the morning of the event. I'm fueled up on some coffee and heading over to the Boca Raton Innovation Center. What's up, guys? So I'm currently at the Boca Raton Innovation Center. So currently at the ISSA conference. So let's go ahead and do a walkthrough of the venue, and we're going to be set up for the RFID. See you in a second. The venue is really impressive. It's modern, spacious, and it's got that startup tech vibes, which I think it makes perfect for an event like this. South Florida ISSA has really outdone themselves this year, with over 400 people to be expected, which is huge. The The energy is already there. You can feel it. It's one of those events where you know that the whole community is coming together to share, learn, and just enjoy the experience. So here we are at the venue, and now it's time to run the RFID village. I have on display all my fully built access control systems. For anyone unfamiliar, RFID is the technology behind those cards you use to access buildings, public transit, and even for some contactless payments. It's everywhere, but most people don't think about it twice. That's why I'm so passionate about teaching it, because understanding it is the first step in knowing how to protect against its vulnerabilities. The village is all about letting people get hands-on. There's something special about watching people's faces light up when they clone their first key card, especially when they thought it was some kind of magic at first. One of my favorite parts of coming to events like this is reconnecting with friends. It's more than just a professional conference. It's like a big reunion with friends who also happen to be into the hacking as I am. We swap stories, talk about what we're working on, and it's just a blast overall. It's these relationships that make everything worth it. It's not just about learning new techniques. It's about building connections with people who will push you forward and who you can learn from, support, and grow alongside. And of course, what's an event without a good old CTF? For those who might not know, CTF stands for Capture the Flag, and it's basically a set of hacking challenges that test your skills. CTFs can be really different depending on the event. Some are really fun and gamified, while others are realistic and intense using real-life vulnerabilities. This year, for example, Rod Soto put together an advanced challenge where people were actually hacking into robots. I mean, it was amazing. So that's what I love. Like when CTFs aren't just games, but simulations that actually make you think like an attacker. They push you to problem solve, to think critically. And that's the core of what we do in red teaming. It's not just about knowing the commands, it's actually about understanding how everything fits together. What's up, guys? So I'm currently back at the hotel after the long day at the ISSA Capture the Flag and Chili Cookoff conference. And to be honest, it went freaking amazing. Like right now, my voice is a complete mess. But we had a fantastic time. So much activities, so much things happening. It was an awesome turnout, and yeah, I'm just completely exhausted. From here, I literally just got to the hotel, so I'm gonna take a quick shower and then call it a night. And tomorrow, heading back to Orlando, and looking forward to the next conference, which is going to be B-Sides Orlando. And at B-Sides Orlando, I'm going to be running the same RFID challenge. It's not going to be exactly a duck hunt, maybe. I don't know, decided yet. But I will be running the RFID challenge / village there. So I do look forward to seeing everyone there, and looking forward to seeing everybody participating as well. Anyway, that's enough for me for today, so I'm gonna call it a night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow probably to end the video with my trip back to Orlando. So see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.
Perfect timing.
Have a good one.
Thank you so much.
just a shout out to my buddy Riot.
Say hi if you want. That's for the YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
He laser etched this sign for me for South Florida ISSA, and I gotta say, it's freaking amazing. Alright, so I finally got my coffee. Definitely needed it after yesterday. And now it's time to head back home. Before I do, I just want to share a thought for everyone who's on the fence about attending one of these events. My advice is simple. Just do it. Get involved. Even better, volunteer if you can. There's something so valuable about being part of the behind-the-scenes action, about helping to make it all happen. You'll meet people, make connections that you wouldn't if you were just an attendee, and you'll learn a ton along the way. Trust me, it's worth it. Well, that's it for this trip. Thanks for coming along with me for the ride. I hope this video gave you a taste of what these events are all about, and it's not just about cybersecurity. It's about building a community, sharing knowledge, and having a good time while doing it. Whether you're new to the field or you've been around for a while, I hope this encourages you to get involved, to stay curious, and to keep learning. Until next time, take care everyone.